So alright mga ka-Glen Abs, ang binabalik-balikan papupunta ng Baguio City 1909. Okay, let's go. Let's go up here. Ayun, no? Diba? 1909. Pasok tayo to take our lunch. Let's go. Reception area. See the rooms, very classic. Oh, there we are. So that's the restaurant there. See, ayun. Kaya nga siya 1909 eh. Let's go down, let's go down, let's go down. This is our third time here. Here, ang mga bayani ng Nayon Silangan. Bagong Nayon. Let's go. Yeah. Hello. So let's take our lunch here. Ayan, kasama po yan.
Kasama ito sa bread.
Are at the what's this? Classic Casa Vallejo, Sison Road, Baguio City. Let's see. After 20 minutes, yeah, you say that slicing is taken. Degenerating.
Oh yeah.
Let's eat lunch. Casa Vallejo, Baguio City. Our lunch. So let's go for the dessert here. See? You see that? Oh my. Oh. Try this. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, Grace. So yun na yun. Oh, see? But malaki lang siyang tingnan. But it's very fluffy. Yeah. Yum yum.
Press the bell button channel and the button, no? And for notification, subscribe kayo. Thank you.